pillars of energy efficiency in commercial buildings, which are large contributors to energy use in commercial buildings. So the building envelope is actually the foundation of savings, since HVAC, heating, cooling, ventilation, and lighting are typically the two largest energy users in buildings. The key determinant of how much energy a building uses is its interface with the outside world. In broad terms, you want to let the outside in when it's beneficial, and you want to keep the outside out when it's not beneficial. So an example of the outside being beneficial is in winter in a cold climate, when it's sunny outside, to get some of that sun's radiation coming into the building and helping warm up the building. Now let's look at HVAC systems, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, which is often the biggest opportunity. In most commercial buildings, it's actually the single largest energy user. And if you're not optimizing it, you're wasting money. So start with maintenance. Dirty filters, clog coils, leaky duct, actuators that don't work anymore or have fallen off the drive. They can increase energy use by 15% or more. But don't stop there. Look at your control strategies. So things you can do to reduce energy use apart from the control settings in HVAC would be to upgrade your control strategy or your heating ventilation system. If your equipment is old, you can consider replacing it. Modern high-efficiency boilers, heat pumps, chillers, and rooftop units can cut energy use by 30 to 50% compared to older legacy systems. Don't forget about heat recovery. Capturing waste heat from exhaust, air, or process loads can provide free energy for heating or preheating. In a hot climate, can also capture free air for cooling. Now, that's lighting. Depending on the type of lighting you have, you can get some pretty quick wins with big impacts. If you're still using fluorescence, metal halide, incandescence, or mercury vapor, please hope you're not. You're really behind the curve. LEDs use up to 80% less energy and last a lot longer, maybe 5 times longer. For some other technologies, maybe 10, 20, 25 times longer. Now, the return on investment is over the lifetime of the new lighting is typically well over 300%. So it's a really big, excellent return on investment. Controls and energy management systems, kind of the brains of the operation. Now, if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. And this is where energy management systems and building management systems come in. These platforms can give you real-time visibility into energy usage, equipment performance, and system faults. You can set up alerts for abnormal consumption and use trend data to spot drift and catch problems before they become expensive failures. You can automate schedules so systems only run when needed. And you can then also integrate them with other building systems such as security, fire and access control for even greater efficiency and resilience.